guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is a dark purple smoky eye. I used the Morphe 35p and the Jaclyn Hill palette to do this look. So if you guys like what you see, stay tuned and the look is about to follow. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment and share. So first I'm going to start off with the usual Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C9, and I'm going to prime my eyes with this Morphe 35p palette. Pick up this bone colour and set my brow bone to the crease like usual. I'm just going to leave the lid unset because I am going to want a lot of pigmentation on there. Next, I am taking my usual gesso brush and I'm going to go in with this beigey colour as my first transition shade. And that's just going to warm up the look for me. I take this gesso tapped blending brush and I'm going to pick up this color right here, and this is going to be my second transition shade. Really sorry about the noise in the background.
Blend. Keep blending, keep blending, keep blending, keep blending. Just keep blending, blending, blending. Just keep building.
Next, I'm going to go in with this colour right here. And I'm going to go in with my 217 brush right into the socket of my eye. And then I'm going to take whatever's left on the brush onto the lid. So we don't want too much of that on the lid, just lightly, just to give a wash of colour, because we are going to go in with a shimmer colour anyway. But we need something in the background of the shimmer. Now I'm going to pick up this brush again. I'm going to go in with this brown again. And I'm just going to blend out the purple a bit more. I'm going to pick up the beige colour again with the fluffy brush. And blend all of that out. I'm going to go in with the purple again as well. Bring that colour back. It's just because I needed it to blend and now I just keep having to go. So I'm going to go back in with that royal purple matte colour. Okay, so now I'm going to go in to the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going to go into the purple in that palette. I don't know if I should do it with my finger. I pick it up with the Mikasa E230 brush. Pick up the purple shade and with some Fix Plus. I'm going to go in that purple from the 35B again and blend all of that. Going back in to the purple with Fix Plus. So I'm now going to clean up with the face wipe and do the rest of my face and then go back in with the eyeshadows. I'm going to use the Smashbox primeriser. I'm going with the MAC Prep and Prime highlighter in Peach Lustre. Like the usual, I'm going to correct. So I did my brows off camera while I was waiting and I used the Maybelline Total Temptation brow definer. I'm going to go in with the rest of my face. So for foundation, I'm going to use the NARS Sheer Glow in Stromboli. I'm going to go in with concealer, and for that I am using the Radiant Creamy Concealer by NARS in the shade Custard. I'm I'm going to take the Makeup Forever Ultra HD setting powder. I'm just going to set my under eyes. And whatever's left, I'm taking it up to my forehead. Brush that off. So I'm now going to contour my nose with the Hoola bronzer. And this is the Angle Shader Brush by Jessup. I take Matte Give Me Sun for bronzing. And I'm just going to go in with a really light hand and bronze all of this. Because I am going to contour using the Hoola bronzer. So I don't want to go in with too much bronzer. It's just to warm up the face a little bit. Benefit Hoola again. In the Morphe M405 brush for contouring. So just taking it on both sides. I'm just going to do just right here. And then bring it down with what's left. Some more, and I'm going to pick it up just right here. No sides, no nothing, just right in the middle. I'm going to do over here and bring it down just to chisel out my jaw a little bit. Colour right here. I'm just going to smoke out my lower lash line and join it in with the outer corner of the top. Take the Morphe M506 and I'm going to pick up the deep matte purple that I used on the crease. The Zoeva 231 brush, and I'm just going to blend out the outer edges. So I've got nothing on this brush, just gonna use it to blend everything out. I'm gonna take a Zoeva Precise Shader brush. I'm gonna pick up some gold highlighter. This is So Hollywood like usual. Do you know what? I completely forgot the rest of my face. So I'm just gonna use this brush to highlight right here, blend it out with my finger, and right here, and just down like that. Using my Anastasia brush with the So Hollywood. For blush, I'm going to use Sleek Makeup's Rose Gold. I am so in love with this blush. I'm going to tight line using the Lancome Le Crayon Noir. Okay, and I'm going to take that onto my lash line a little bit because I'm going to apply falsies. You can totally just keep it like that and apply some mascara. I'm going to show you how it looks after applying mascara. Using the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir mascara. What it looks like with just mascara. You guys can totally keep it like that, but I think I will go and put on some mascara, the rest of the mascara and some falsies. So I did my lashes off camera, but my eyes are watering, so this lash keeps coming off. I put it on about twice now. So for liner, I'm going to use NYX Truffle, Nude Truffle. And for the lipstick, I'm using Jouer Noisette. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. This is what it looks like. My eyelash keeps coming off. I've put it on about 3 times now, but my eyes are watering. I must have had an allergic reaction to something. But this is my super smoky purple smoky eye with nude lips.